There is one niche that has absolutely exploded the sales in my Etsy shop in 2026. And yes, I am talking about the events niche. Baby showers, bachelorette parties, birthday parties, retirement parties, so on and so forth. People planning events are coming to Etsy to spend. They are coming to Etsy to create these unique and special moments for the people in their lives. And a lot of times I avoided events in the past because I felt like I just wasn't trendy enough to sell in this space. But what I've learned over this past year is that you don't have to be glued to TikTok to know what's popular in the events niche on Etsy. I'm going to keep it 100% real with you. I am an elder millennial, mom of two young girls. I am not the trendiest person, and I am not attached to social media at all times, knowing what's in and what's out. But over this last year, I have figured out 3 free ways to find trends in the events niche to make big sales on Etsy. And today I'm going to walk you through all 3 of those free ways so that you can start implementing them right away in your shop. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share which of these 3 methods has actually helped me gain the most sales this year. Hey there, welcome back. I'm Emily. I'm a mom of two who's grown her Etsy print on demand shop to over 34,000 sales in the last 3 years. If you're new here, I am so glad you found this video. Every week, I am sharing with you honest tips, trends, tools, hacks, strategies that I actively use in my Etsy print on demand shop and teach to my students in the Gift Lab community. And if that's what you're looking for, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss a single weekly video. It is really important for me as a voice in the print on demand space to share with you things that I am honestly and actively doing in my shop and that my students are doing and seeing success with. There are a lot of things I could be out here sharing with you, but it's important for me to share with you things that I have direct experience with. And over this last year, I decided to take a venture into the events niche in my shop. Several months ago, I shared this video here talking about how my revenue 1 month exploded by over 40% compared to the year before. And I dove into why the events niche is such a golden ticket on Etsy. But today I want to dig in more into not only why this niche is gold, but also how you can really stand out and find those trends that will actually make those sales. As I mentioned, when Etsy buyers are planning a bachelorette party or a birthday party or a baby shower, they are coming to Etsy looking for unique custom products that they can have to make those events very special. But there's one thing I have learned that will help you stand out in the event space, and that is themes. Themes are so important in the events world. Think about the last bachelorette party or birthday party you went to. A lot of times there's a theme, say last toast on the coast, or for a kids' party, maybe they had a construction themed first birthday party. Themes are going to be key, and these themes rely heavily on knowing what's trendy. So let's dive into my 3 very free ways to find these trendy themes and ideas that you can start implementing in your shop today. So the first free method is going to be Etsy itself. And I know you might be thinking, wow, that's pretty obvious, but I want to show you how I'm actually researching on Etsy to find these trending themes before they hit print on demand products. So let's dive in. All right, when I want to find trending event themes and I am looking on Etsy, the first place I actually search is for digital or printable invitations for that event. And I know it's not a physical product, it's not a print on demand product. But a lot of times I have found that these themes start in the digital space and then slowly start making their way over to physical products and print on demand. So here, for example, you can see that I have done a search for baby shower invitations. And if I see a theme selling well in this invitation category, I can feel pretty confident that buyers are also going to want to coordinate other physical products with that theme. Think guest books, matching t-shirts for the family, banners, party favors, koozies, anything like that. So a lot of times people are looking for a theme in these invitations, and then they're trying to buy coordinating products to go along with it. So, here in the baby shower space, we can see some themes that are already trending here. We have strawberries, cowboy, we have woodland baby creatures, we see a lot of clotheslines, dogs. And so automatically, I am generating so many different ideas that I can implement into my designs on physical products and on print on demand products. So, Etsy is a great place to come and to start by looking in this digital invitation space. So that way you can catch those ideas, put them on physical products before other print on demand sellers. Etsy gives us a lot of information for free. They tell us what's a bestseller. They show us these important words here that say, like, in 20 plus carts. They're giving us a lot of helpful information we can use to validate that this theme is in demand. And then we can take this ourselves and add it to our own shop. And of course, I should note we never want to copy these invitations as they are, but we do want to take this as inspiration that these themes are popular. All right, moving on to the second free trend finding hack in the events niche, and that is Pinterest. Pinterest is an incredible tool that is absolutely free and can help so much when it comes to researching for trends. And let's stick with baby showers here. I simply typed in baby shower themes, and immediately I'm already getting a ton of ideas. Now, at the top here, I can see some popular baby shower themes that Pinterest is feeding me: locally grown, woodland, here comes the sun, can barely wait, teddy bears. Some of these themes we already saw on Etsy. So that kind of validates for us that those are definitely in demand. The other thing we can do is scroll down, and a lot of times bloggers will share with us trendy themes for the year. So I'm always looking for these posts that say trendy baby shower themes for 2026 or for next year, 2027. And when you click on these, they'll take you to some extensive lists with different ideas that you can implement on your designs. I love to scroll Pinterest when I am kind of in a design rut or an inspiration rut. And this just generates so many different ideas for you. And you can just go through and click on these, start making a list of these different themes you find. One pro tip I have is I would stick to one event at a time, even if you're just sticking in that event for a week or two. But there are so many themes that it's really easy to get overwhelmed. And so I recommend, if you're designing for baby showers, stick with baby showers. That way you can focus your research there and you're not getting too overwhelmed with ideas. And the third and final free way that I look for trending event themes is on social media. Now, I mentioned at the beginning that I'm not a huge social media person, but places like Instagram have a ton of great opportunity to tap into what's trending, especially before it gets to Etsy. And I just simply typed in baby shower themes on Instagram, and you could already see there are some great posts sharing with you some different themes that you could implement in your shop. And what I love about this is something you can do on the go. You could be on your phone, you could be sitting at your kids' soccer practice, you could be traveling, whatever you might be doing. And this is an easy way for you to gather ideas, create a list. So when it's time to design for your shop, you have those already ready to go. So Instagram or TikTok, maybe, those are going to be great avenues that are completely free to find these trending themes in the event space. The events niche has been absolutely huge for me this year. In 2026, currently, my revenue is up over 75% compared to 2025. And I credit a lot of that to truly focusing on this space and focusing on what Etsy buyers are coming to the platform for. They're coming here for unique gifts for milestones. They're coming here for special events, for special occasions. And so it's up to us as sellers to be able to provide those unique opportunities and products for them that they can create these special moments in their lives. Now, at the beginning of the video, I shared with you that I was going to tell you which of these three strategies has earned me the most sales. And I can tell you honestly, it's really just sticking to researching on Etsy. I absolutely use Pinterest and social media to find inspiration, but I have found so many best selling product ideas by searching on Etsy in the invitation space or in these other areas that aren't directly physical products. Because I'm not necessarily looking for direct competitors. I'm looking for themes and trends that I can bring to my products, especially before other people have. All right, so there you have it. Those are three completely free ways to find trending themes in the events niche that you can start selling on Etsy today. And if you take nothing else from this video, I just want you to know that you don't have to be a trendy person to make sales in a trendy niche like the events one on Etsy. As I mentioned, I'm not trendy at all. But if you learn how to find these tools, how to use them to be able to figure out what's popular for Etsy buyers, that is going to be a golden ticket to some great sales in the events niche. So I'd love to know from you, are you currently selling in the events niche? And let me know below how it's going for you. And if you want more honest, practical strategies that I am actively using in my Etsy shop every week and teaching in the Gift Lab community, you can learn more about that community below. I will share that link for you, and you get 7 days free to come try it and see if it's a good fit for you. If you're not quite ready for that, go ahead and hit subscribe below so you don't miss a single weekly video. I'm Emily, and I look forward to seeing you next time.